Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I will be showing you guys how to make the best homemade cornbread recipe ever. If you would like to see it, keep on watching. Also, if you enjoy the recipe, please leave a like and let's begin. Alright guys, here are the ingredients. I will have them listed down below for you guys. I am using sugar, corn milk, flour, milk, honey, baking powder, salt, 2 eggs, and as well as some melted butter. To begin, I am going to pour about half a cup of melted butter to my cast iron. Next, I am going to take my cast iron, place it in a 425-degree oven for about 10 minutes. While that is heating up, I am going to start by making my batter. I am going to pour all of the dry ingredients first. So I'm starting with the flour, then we're going to add the cornmeal, and next we're going to add the sugar. And now I am going to pour in the baking powder, not baking soda, baking powder, and as well as the salt. You're going to take your whisk, give that a nice whisk for about a minute until everything is well combined. Now I'm going to pour in my wet ingredients. I'm going in with the honey, now, if you're looking for that buttery cornbread, you have to have a lot of butter. We're going to pour that melted butter right in. Next, we're going to pour in the whole milk. Give that a nice stir. Now we're going to pour in our egg. Just pour that in just like that. The egg will make it nice and fluffy at the same time. Just mix everything together just like so. It's about time for you to take your cast iron from the oven and you are going to pour all that goodness batter into the cast iron. So just pour that in there just like so. It should be piping hot, y'all, when it come out the oven. This is literally about 10 minutes, okay? 10 minutes in the oven. Once you pour it in there, it should be sizzling. It should be already cooking. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about, okay? Now, look at the corners. You can see it's already cooking. That's how hot the cast iron should be. Now, we're going to place that in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once it comes out, y'all, look at the corners. Ooh, it's the aroma for me. Right now, my kitchen smells like freshly golden fluffy homemade cornbread. You have to make this, y'all. This is super easy, and let's not forget, it's super quick to make. You probably have some cornmeal in your pantry right now. Just make it happen. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, please give it a like. I know it was quick, but it was absolutely a winner in my book. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and also leave me a comment down below. I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye guys.